I have learned time and time again that an organized space is only as good as the system that supports it. So I'm going to show you a system for organizing your refrigerator that will work over and over again. Let's do it step by step. Step 1. Take it all out. I mean everything. Take it out, toss anything that is expired, and make sure to give your refrigerator a really good wipe down. Step 2. Plan out your refrigerator. Once everything's out, decide where it makes the most sense for things to go. For example, I like my leftovers bin to be right at eye level. So plan it out by category and put your bins in place. Step 3. Label your bins and shelves. I mean everything. By labeling something, not only you know where to put something back, but everybody else you live with does too. When it comes to labels, you can use a peel and stick version or just write directly onto the bin. Step 4. Dedicate a spot for leftovers. I love having a spot for leftovers so I know exactly what I need to use up, whether it's for lunch or incorporating it into the next meal. I also like having a bin dedicated to snacks or for kids. That way, those small things like string cheese and hummus have a place to belong and they're not rolling around in the refrigerator. Step 5. Do a weekly wipe down. It can feel like a daunting chore, but if you wipe down your refrigerator each week that you meal plan, it's gonna keep it in tip-top shape. And one thing I love having are these really cool mats that sit on the shelves so that if you have spills, it's much easier to just clean the mat rather than taking the whole shelf out. An orderly fridge isn't just pleasing to look at. It actually has the potential to not only save you money by reducing waste, but to save you time with more efficient meal planning. It's such a great system to have operating in your household. Hopefully, these tips have motivated you guys to get in there, clean out your refrigerators, get them organized, and you'll have a magazine-worthy refrigerator in no time.